Hello students, I am Abdul Ghani. I am a biology coach. Today our topic is Muslim scientists. मुस्लिम साइंसदानों ने काफ़ी अरसा तक इल्मी दुनिया में हुकूमत की है। आपके कोर्स में 3 मुस्लिम साइंटिस्ट शामिल हैं। जाबिर बिन हयान 721 to 815 AD, अब्दुल मालिक अस्माई 740 to 828 AD, अबू अली सीना 980 to 1037 AD. Number 1, Jabir bin Hayyan. He was born in Iran. He practiced medicine in Iraq. He introduced experimental investigation in chemistry and also wrote a number of books on plants and animals. His famous books are Al-Nabatat and Al-Hawan. Abdul Malik Asmai. He was considered the first Muslim scientist who studied animals in detail. His famous books are Al-Abil about camels, Al-Khayl about horse, Al-Wahush about animals, and Khalq al-Insan about human beings. Abu Ali Sina 980 to 1037 AD. He is honored as the founder of medicine and he is called as Avicenna in the West. He was a physician, a philosopher, an astronomer, and a poet. His famous book is Al-Qanun fi Tibb.